Hi everyone, it's Sue, and welcome to my new schedule of YouTube videos. So every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be premiering some DIYs and live chatting with you. So hopefully you make it out every Wednesday at 8 p.m. just to see what I've been up to. So this is the first DIY project using some of the free items that I received from Beebeecraft. And if you'd like to get your own free craft supplies from Beebeecraft, I will put links in the description box below to the Beebeecraft YouTube program. All you need are 100 subscribers, so check it out. So this video is extra special because not only is it a Beebeecraft tutorial, it's also a Michaels dupe. So I was out looking for fall decor at Michaels and I came across these really cute mason jar signs, and I thought I received some wooden mason jars from Beebeecraft, so maybe I can try to recreate it for a whole lot less. So I started off with one of the wooden mason jar forms that I got from Beebeecraft. There were 4 in a pack, and I will link this product below if you'd like to order some for yourself. And I took some of my folk art antique wax and just covered the base of it and wiped off some of the excess with a baby wipe just to kind of recreate the light wood look that was in the Michaels sign. Then I took some silver acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree and painted on the lid of the mason jar. And I actually made little ridges that were raised in the paint to kind of resemble the threads on the mason jar, and I thought that would give it sort of a 3D look. So I thought it looked pretty cool when it was dry. So next I had picked up these beautiful napkins at the Dollar Tree that had pumpkins and sunflowers on them, and I thought they would be beautiful to Mod Podge onto my mason jar and recreate the look that was in the Michaels sign. So I kind of fussy cut around it a little bit so it would fit down in the one corner, and then I used some Mod Podge to affix it to the one corner of the mason jar. Then I put a layer of Mod Podge over most of the mason jar and let it dry. In retrospect, I probably should have waited because I was going to put the vinyl lettering on and then Mod Podge over it, but you can never have too much Mod Podge. Once that was dry, I took out the vinyl lettering that I had cut from my Cricut Maker, and it said Hello Sunshine on it, the same as on the sign I saw at Michaels. So I weeded out the excess vinyl and then put my words Hello Sunshine onto the mason jar. And then to make sure that it didn't come off, I put yet another layer of Mod Podge all over the whole mason jar and let it dry. When everything was completely dry, I just took a small pair of scissors and trimmed around the edge of the napkin to fit the shape of the mason jar. Then I took some jute twine and wrapped it around and around the base of the lid, and I fixed it with some glue. Now I also wanted to put a little sunflower on here like the one in Michaels, but the ones I had were very cute and flat and perfect, but they looked a little fake, a little too bright yellow. So I thought, what if I took a brown marker and just kind of colored over the green center and added a little bit of marker here and there just to kind of make it look a little more realistic. And I thought that just brought it to life. Voila, after gluing my sunflower on, I thought my mason jar looked really cute and probably for less than $1 compared to the probably $20 for the one at Michael's. So let me know in the comment section below what you think.